Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect.
Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new to this space, I am Melo the newbie channel. This is Gewmel space. You are so welcome. And to my old and returning subscribers, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a small tutorial on the quickest way to apply eyeliner. So if you want to learn how to apply a wing eyeliner, this is the video for you. Don't go nowhere. Hey people, I'm here again and I just finished doing my cut crease eyeshadow. Guys, it is mad. The eyeshadow is mad. What do you think? Now I'm going to go ahead to brush off all the extra eyeshadow on my face and clean off the eyeshadow using on the outer part of my eye using a wipe. Guys, I'm just going to make a wing shape with the wipe. Just clean it up so that when you draw your eyeliner, it's going to look neat. Guys, I'm going to be using two types of eyeliner today, the liquid and the gel liner. The liquid pencil liner and a gel liner. Gel liner by Zaron and a liquid liner pencil by Fit Me flying liner. So guys, let's go there. Let's move. Okay guys, let's jump right into business. I'm going to start with the gel liner, the Zaron gel liner, and I'm going to be using this very flat angled brush to draw it on. Guys, just take a little bit of the gel liner and put it on the back of your palm. Close it up fast because this gel liner stuff gets dry easily. So to preserve your liner, you need to always close it up immediately after taking some of it. Guys, start first by drawing a line. Draw a line towards your eyebrow tail, the end of your eyebrow tail. Extend the line to the top of your eyelid. It's easy guys, you can do it. I want my wing to be longer, so I'm just going to extend the wing and make it sharper with the edge of my angled brush, as you can see. Then I'm going to go ahead to take a little bit of the gel and fill in the eyeliner to make it dark and even. Guys, you can correct, it depends on the width of the eyeliner you want to achieve. Guys, just have fun with it and keep going till you're okay with what you have achieved so far. Correct any mistakes. I just corrected one small mistake there. So guys, when you're done with your wing, you can now go on to extend the inner corner of your eye. Guys, make it as thin as possible and target your eyelash line. Guys, the more you go into the inner corner of your eye, the more thinner this eyeliner should be. Make the line as straight as possible. I'm just going to take more of the product and concentrate on the inner part of my eye and making the line as thin as possible. Make the middle part of your eyelid a little bit fatter or bigger than the inner corner of your eye, and make the outer corner of the of your eye a bit bigger than the middle corner of your eye. Try and make it as straight as possible, guys. As you can see, I'm just aiming for perfection. I'm removing any mistakes, making my eyeliner as straight as possible, and guys, this is the outcome. This is me doing corrections, making my line as straight as possible, as perfect as I can, and making my wing longer. I'm making my lash line darker. Guys, I'm going to go ahead to take my flat brush and a little bit of this Zaron highlighter or concealer. I'm going to use my flat brush to take a little bit of the product, as you can see, and I'm going to use it to make the tail of my liner sharper and highlight it to make it more pronounced and perfect. Guys, just go at it, correct any mistakes. This is the opportunity you have to correct any mistakes you made, and also to highlight your eyeliner tail. So this is what I'm doing now, and after that I'm going to take my blending brush to blend out all the harsh lines, make it as perfect as possible. I'm also going to use my finger, guys, because there is no such thing as too much blending. I'm going to use my finger to blend out the highlighter, make it look as natural as possible. Next, I'm going to be going with this eyeliner liquid pencil by Fit Me. And you know how it is now, you have to fling and fling and fling before product to come out of it. Guys, we're going to open it up and also take the same steps we took on the other eye. I'm going to draw a straight line first, pointing at the tail of my eyebrow. Now that I have done that, I'm going to extend the line from the tail of the liner to the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to fill it in. This liner is not as dark as the other one, so guys, just bear with me. I just want to show you guys how to go about using both the liner pencil and the gel liner with the brush and all the protocol. Now I'm going to extend the wing of my liner because I like it as sharp as a razor, like, and as long as whatever. Guys, I like my liner long and sharp, so I don't know, just do whatever works for you guys, whatever rocks your boat. Now I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, and while doing this I'm trying to extend it to my eyelid, the middle of my eyelid, and also at the same time I'm trying to create a curve, because you don't just make it straight. You can if you want, but the best achievement for this my eyeshadow look is a curved kind of liner. So guys, I'm just going to correct whatever mistakes I have there, extend, and make my liner as perfect as possible. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to check the other eye to check if they both look somehow the same, because they can't make them look perfectly the same. I just want to make them look alike a bit. So guys, I'm going to extend this liner now, and I'm going to just be concentrating on my lash line. As you can see, I'm just going to make the line as thin as possible, and I'm also concentrating on my lash line. While I'm at it, I'm trying to correct the mistakes I made on the middle part of my lid, and my eyelashes are giving me problems. Jeez, these lashes are too long for my liking. Guys, I've now moved ahead to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm trying to make it thinner than the middle corner of my lash line. Always compare, guys, always compare, so you don't go out with an up down eyeliner look. You just end up looking horrible after putting a lot of effort into drawing on your eyeliner. So try and compare, guys. I'm trying to make my eyelashes darker because my eyeshadow kind of stains them. So guys, this step is not important, don't mind me. This is how it looks at the end of the day. Now I'm going to go ahead to line my under eye and I'm going to be using this kajal by Colossal Extra Black Kajal. I'm going to be using it to line my under eye, and it's retractable, guys. It's retractable and easy to use. That's one thing I love about this kajal. Start by pulling down your under eye and start by extending the tail of your winged liner to your waterline. Then you can now start taking it into the inner corner of your eye. Guys, make it as light as possible so it doesn't smudge or stain your face at the end of the day. The outer part that is connected to the tail of your wing liner should be thicker than the inner corner of your eye. To go ahead to highlight the tail of my wing liner and make it sharp as possible. Then I'm going to line the under of that eye, and I'm going to take the same step I took initially. Just start by extending the tail of your wing liner, then taking it into the inner corner of your under eye, and that is basically it. You're done, guys. Like, this is the finished look. I went ahead to put my eyelashes and ta-da. Thank you so much for watching my video from beginning to end. I love you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and click the notification option in case you want to get notified each time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Mwah.